Okay, here we are at a Broom Park. You see by the horizon, sun's just going down, and there's some lights just starting to come on, and that's what we want for tonight. Tonight, I'm showing you the Firebird Stratos from Hobby Zone Horizon. I'm using the 808 keychain camera, HD on. Then you can see all the wiring on these lights. These are a night light kit that I bought. All the correct lighting, strobe lights, green and red pass lights. They're just hardwired right into the battery pack, positive to the PC board, and I got negative to the battery. Anyway, they don't come on until you plug the plane in, and then now here they are on. You can see the green and your strobe. Same thing here on this end. You got red strobe, red on your toe. Yeah. And this is the 808 cam. I'm going to go ahead and set this on. So as we're filming, we can have two camera views. I'll use my movie maker and put these both together. Okay. Push down. See? Wait on. He showed me that. Hear it? Alright, grab that camera. Alright, here we go. I'm slowing it down.
What? Yeah, I hope so. Alright, bye.
Get that right there. That looks so fucking cool, doesn't it? I'm just drifting. The motors are off. I'm just drifting in the wind. Look at that climb. Look at that climb. You can see my confidence. I'm a lot better, huh? A little harder than I wanted. I'm going to take it one more flight up. Come a little closer and get this.
I got it all zoomed in.
Take it off and zoom because it gives it a crappy video.
Well, it's not all the way zoomed in. It's not like I have it all the way. Just when you're in the air.
Let them see the lights some more. Pretty neat, people. Gotta get you some of this, man. Anyone can fly this plane. I'm telling you, anyone. You think them lights make it easier to follow?
When you get far away, I can't even see the airplane on this still. I have to zoom it in. And I can only see them when it's far away. I can see them with my eyes without the camera. But the green one, I can't even see on the camera unless it's up close. The red light I can see.
You want to try flying it?
No, I'm right.
Huh?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back, man. Alright.
We'll bring her in for landing. Try to get this landing good, okay? Look at that, it's beautiful. Woohoo! That was beautiful, wasn't it?